So let's say I'm going to create an opportunity on a specific step. I'm going to create a new opportunity called CXM opportunity for today. So now what I did actually is created an opportunity in when a customer goes to the online store. I know there's this problem we want to address. So this is the opportunity. And here I actually want to capture what actually is the reason that this is an opportunity. So why? So here you can give a short description. Just a quick tip for the design thinkers among us, just use the how might we ... notation. So that you're thinking problem still, not in solution. So how might we solve the CXM opportunity so that we can, make our customers happy? This is where you describe the opportunity. So you can immediately also set an owner so that someone knows, hey, Jochem is on it. If I want to know more about it, I can reach out to him so I know where to find him. But basically what we also do is we help you to address a basic value score. Now, if you have a fancy scorecard in place that already has a few drivers, you can use that. What we typically see, you have a customer value expressing like, if we address this opportunity, what does it deliver roughly for the customer? But equally, you want to give that perspective on the business. So what does it generate for the business? Maybe there's a very low priority for the business, or maybe a very high priority for the business to address this opportunity. So these are, the basic information that go into an opportunity. Now, of course, it's backed by research and the context is in the journeys. But if you start creating it like this, then you will see here, okay, so it's now linked to this specific step. Because it's documented now, you can start adding it to different steps in the experience and linking it. As we saw with the information overload, that was linked with different steps and different journeys. And that will create this knowledge of work and linked opportunity management.